All right, welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a video. I'll do one on the chassis in a bit. It's ready to go, motor in, everything plumbed, ready to go. And I haven't done one on the cab here in a while, and I've been way too busy. I'm sorry about that. But I figured I should do one video before everything gets put together. So I thought a quick walk around was in order. You can see we went with the Dirk's electric wiper kit. Now, I have been driving a model for the last few weeks that has the Dirk's kit, and I really like it. It's better than I thought it might be, so I can't wait to try it on here. We put these windshields in ourselves. A lot of work, but doable. Chrome bead lock. We still have to put in the center pillar here. Try to go with the stock look visor. We're not sure on that yet, but that's what's on here for the moment. It's just slightly lower than stock. And of course, we went back to all square horn and lights. Got the mirrors with the lights in. That was up to me. I really wanted those, so we got them. And these spot mirrors maybe aren't exactly the ones I would go with. If you get the bracket with the 45-degree support in here, these mirrors stay a lot firmer, but we'll see how those go. All this stuff can be changed at a later date. And then the little mirror up here so you can watch your stacks. The doors, of course, we rebuilt entirely. They are insulated very well, sealed, new latches, everything, new cranks, new regulators, new vent windows. This is essentially a brand new door. These are the seats that are in it for now. They probably won't stay. They're not my favorite style of seat, but I didn't pick them out. And they'll probably end up in the 89, but we'll see. This is a new SCI wheel. We put in the original horn button. And some of these gauges are new. Some of them are original. We put in this fuel gauge, the fuel, the flow scan. It doesn't work, but we just put it in anyway, just to fill the big hole. And then these switches, the way these are actually plumbed up is because we added four-way locks. This will still be a suspension dump. And then these two will be diff lockers. And then the fifth wheel slide, we'll actually have a manual way to do that out on the frame. That way we can go power divider and four-way lock on two switches, so we don't have to mess with any of the factory layout here. The upholstery's fantastic. The headliner, I'll have a picture of the before in here. It looks like a new headliner. Of course, it's kind of dark in here, so it's maybe not the best look at it, but it looks like a new headliner, and from the picture you'll be currently looking at, it's a wonder. The spotlights, we were able to put the old style handle on the new spotlight, so that's pretty neat. These still need to get finished up there. Still need to get the chrome center pillar cover. And we painted the steering column metallic blue. It looks pretty nice. It's the same color as the frame is going to be, that metallic blue. Again, I am not a fan of blue, but that's what the truck was, and that's what it's going to stay. I think I'm going to put the chrome clutch pedal in. Then in the bunk, we got the fridge and filing cabinet combination. That's quite a... These will not come open on you on the road. That's pretty impressive. And fridge is, that's a pretty sizable freezer, but it looks like you could actually just open the whole thing wide up and have it all fridge. If that's true, that's pretty handy because I never had that much use for the freezer section. But that looks like a bigger fridge than my 389 has. I'm going to have to tidy this up. The upholstery isn't in there yet. The covers aren't on these cubbies yet. And we need a cover for that light. We put a big sub in there. We really went, maybe not crazy on the sound system, but pretty good. And of course, everything's been re-insulated, so that should work out really nice. And of course, we can change whatever we want at a later date. But this is something else, like, it'll be the closest thing to a brand new 359 on the road when it's all put together. And I'll have videos of us putting the cab and everything on, hopefully soon, but I can't make any promises there. Anyway, thanks for watching.